presenting you our young creative, Bhavika Kasera and Anadi Sharma Place. OMBBC News Channel, reporting FRO Knowledge Valley School.
Morning, we are back all of you. We are from Knowledge Valley from Rajgarh. I am Anadi Sharma and she is Bhavika Kasera. We are here for you with today's news by BBC Ones.
Headlines of the day: government announced that students who are failed in board examinations, they have opportunities to give additional exams.
Madhya Pradesh Board of Secondary Education MPBSC is working on the plan of action to change the supplementary examination system.
Do you know, under the new policy for class 10th and 12th who are failed in board examinations, they have opportunities to give additional exams.
Students who get failed in one or two subjects were also now allowed to give the additional exams, and students who get failed in 4 or more subjects were also eligible to give the exams.
This is the great opportunity for all the Indians to achieve their success once.
The MPBSC Secretary, Ms. K.D. Tripathi, told the Free Press that they analyzed the other state boards and they are still working on the plan of action.
It shows like that our country India is going to developing. So let's talk about our district Dhar. As I got information that in our Dhar, Madhya Pradesh, government says that for who are living in the hostels, for girls developing the hostels and also the more security for the hostels.
During a district developments, the Coordination and Monitoring Committee DISHA held at the district panchayat in Dhar. And we know guys, our India and our nation is developing. So really it is very proud moment for us that this time the Ganesh Chaturthi people have done the Lord Ganesh Visarjan very respectfully. Also they avoid the long seat trucks, vans and vehicles, so by which Lord Ganesh will not get hurt. So this is a very proud moment for us.
Yes, you're right, Unnati. From this we can see that how much our country is going to developing and there is many opportunities for us.
We like to show one incident that happened with us in Indore. So it is on Saturday that happened with us, and one car is going in speed and one bike is also going and overtake that car.
Thank God the driver stopped the car very fast, but then after also the bike is overtaking to that car. It's happened on the Ganesh Chaturthi day. It shows like that in many places our country India is going to developing, but some places still we have to improve.
Six wolf family madden story. Oh, amazing. So the six wolf family come to UP from the forest and attack to the people and the children's more and more. So from that six wolves, the rescue team firstly found the 4 wolves. And what is about the 5th and 6th wolf?
After 54 days, finally the rescue team found the 5th one, and the village people are so happy, but still now the boss of the gang is not found. Also he is lamb, and till now the rescue team is founding to that 6th one wolf. It's come to the sports in hockey. Hockey, India win the match that happens on Sunday between India and Malaysia.
So now we have one match on 11/9/24. In that match, the India versus the Malaysia the team is, and our India won the match.
Not amount of money can give you happiness. That not amount of money can give you happiness. That freedom does long lives our nation India.
So we will break after a break. We are here available for you till 20